Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to delete an item from your search history in Facebook on your PC. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open Facebook. Launch your web browser and navigate to the Facebook website. Log into your account. Step 2. Go to the search bar. Locate the search bar at the top of the Facebook page. Step 3. Click on Edit. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. Step 4. Next to the item you want to delete, click on More. A list of actions will appear. Step 5. Finally, click on Delete. Confirm the deletion, and the item will be removed from your search history. That's it. You've successfully learned how to delete an item from your search history in Facebook on your PC. Keep your search history clean and private. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.